Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South. We're going to take a look at this house behind me. This is a corner lot, and let's go check it out. So just to give you an idea, this is a corner lot, and if we come over here we can see the area around it. Just panning around. It's by the front wall. Okay, let's go inside and check this out. So as you can see, the wall has a nice setup, the upper part. Let's go inside. See, there's a big balcony on top of there. This is a brand new house. It's got solar, CCTV cameras, the works. See the garage area? But we'll check out the outside area later. Let's go into the front door here. Interesting tile on the ground here. So as you walk in, as you can see, that when you first walk in, it's the big living room area, sliding glass doors on the front, on the side, and in the back in the dining area. But I want to show you something that's to the left here. This is where they have CCTV and the solar hookups. So, okay, now as you can see, when you come out into the living room part, you look up, you can see a big high ceiling, nice chandelier, very nice. There's a room to the left of the living room here, which can be used for office, whatever. And it's got a sliding glass door to the outside, which we can slip out, come right back into the dining area. So this is the dining area looking back into the living room. Nice. Really great ceiling designs. And then through this door, glass door, we have the kitchen area. See, granite cups, white counter cabinets, the sink area. And that door leads to the outside porch. See the ceiling design, nice. And also, there's some area to that area there, to the back porch where there's a pool, but we'll look at that later. Let's go upstairs first. You can see the stairs, and nice lights along the stairs, glass railing. Got a nice big high ceiling in the stairs here. Let's come around. You can see the ceiling design here, nice. So as soon as we come up to the top of the stairs, we have this bedroom here. I'll just pan down a little bit so you can see the floor. And then you can come around here, and it has a full bathroom and shower setup. And if you notice, there was a door over here that leads to the master bedroom, but we'll check that out later. Now let's go into this bedroom here. Similar bedroom. Then you have, unfortunately this door's locked, but that goes to a bathroom. You have built-in closets, as you can see. And we're going to go into this other bedroom here. See that? So you walk in here, all the rooms have AC. This one has a built-in closet. I'll just get to the back of the room so you can see that. And it has a similar bathroom as the other bedroom. Full shower and everything. Nice. And then you can actually look down from here, down into the living room if you wanted to. So let's go into the master bedroom. Huge space in here. See that? Get down lower so you can see the floor space there. And then you have this sliding glass door here, and you have this door over here, which gives you access to this giant balcony out here. As you can see. We can go check that out though. But first, let me just show you. Remember that door that was over in the corner in the other room? So if you have a baby or something, you could have access to this other room from the master bedroom to check on your kids or something. You can see there's a built-in here. But let's come into the master bathroom. You can see the nice built-in closets. And then we come pass around through here. You have a urinal, CR, nice glass enclosed shower. And of course the sink setup. Looks like they haven't put the mirror in yet. They still have a few more touch-ups on this house. They say it'll be completed in about, I think a month or something. So we're pretty much out here doing the pre-sale tour. Now remember I said you can come out here to this balcony. Huge balcony hangout for the master bedroom. So you can see the surrounding areas around. Pretty nice. And if this was your master bedroom, you could yell down to the pool. See, the pool's down there. But unfortunately, the pool isn't full at this time. So let's go back. See, they still got to finish this door. Still got a few things to do on this house. But they're getting there. They're almost done. So let's go back downstairs. I'll show you the pool area and around the house. Having trouble with my gimbal here for some reason. Anyways, let's go out. I'll show you, I'll cut through the garage. But first, I want to show you this. There's a guest bathroom here and full shower too, for guests. And then you have this area in here, maybe like a changing area or something from coming in from the pool. But you also have a pool bathroom here too. So after you swim in the pool, you can shower off before you go inside. And then you can see the size of the pool here. The pool looks like it's about 5 feet deep. These doors on the left are just storage areas for pool supplies and things. Window to, I believe that's the maid's room. You just pan the pool area here. See that? Nice. Here we have maid's room with, you can see the bathroom with shower and everything in the back. This door is access to the kitchen. And of course you got the sliding glass door to the dining room. So you got the sliding glass door to the office type space. And then on the side here, it's a grassy area. So I'll just walk around so you can see the wall here. Notice there's another sliding glass door here. The walls all have lights on them. Big yard here. Lots of space for entertaining. So, and over here, this window you see, here's access from the garage to the pool area. And of course you have a driver's room here with his own, as you can see in the distance there, shower MCR. So let's go back out front here. So I hope you enjoyed this video by philhome.com. You can read the description down below for more information, or you can go to Phil Home Facebook and contact us directly from your personal Facebook. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching philhome.com.